Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to delete a blog post on a WordPress website. As you can see, we are into the WordPress website admin dashboard, and in the left side toolbar there is an option of post. We have moved our cursor on the post and there is all post in the sub menu appearing over here. We will click on all post, right? And here you will see all the blog posts written by you, and you can simply select that blog post you just want to delete, and as soon as you move the cursor over the blog post title, then trash option would be displayed in front of you. You can simply click on trash under the blog post title and that blog post would be deleted. You can also open the trash section over here by clicking on the trash, and as it is showing that 4 blog posts are in trash, right? You can simply click on delete permanently option under the blog post title and that particular blog post would be deleted permanently. So this is how you can delete a blog post on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WordPress website, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to WordPress website tutorial. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.